is Sheila Lynn.
Yeah, I wonder where that picture could be.
What are you looking for?
The picture of who, Ginga?
I have a picture of Chuck and me and Marie when she stayed with me. Remember, she come to see me. She stayed with me about a week.
My mom went to see her.
Marie did.
Yeah, when she was little. She was about 9 years old.
She was only 9?
And I saw her not too long ago.
We told the conductor to watch for her.
You put her on a train at 9?
We put her on up here.
Wow.
And we told him to watch and make sure that he's meeting somebody and make sure.
Oh my God. I can't believe you trusted her on a train.
Well, didn't have any sense.
Oh
They
my
were
God.
young then.
I wouldn't done that.
I think Sheila Lynn was at least 7 or 8 years
No,
old.
she was about 9.
You mean my mom?
About 9. Yeah.
I hope she was at least 9.
Your mother.
Yeah.
How many hours was that on the train?
Oh, I can't remember, honey.
Like 5 or 6?
Maybe.
Boy, that's a long train ride for a 9-year-old.
Boston used to be a conductor there.
Huh.
Daddy knew him.
That black man. Boston.
Huh.
He died. Boston, what would we call him?
Why'd you call him Boston?
I don't know why. Daddy just said that.
What was his real name, do you know?
I don't know.
Why did everybody have a nickname around here?
Huh?
Why did everybody have a nickname around here?
We don't know.
What were some of the other nicknames?
These are pretty shoes.
Oh, you're wearing your stockings, I see.
Yeah. I need another pair.
Good.
They're $55.
Are they really?
Yeah.
How much?
$55.
$55.
That's
stockings.
These stockings.
Oh yeah, I know.
That's expensive.
Mine were higher than that.
Where's yours?
60 and 70. I don't know where they're at.
Well,
I wore them for a couple of years.
Maybe she should wear them.
They came up here. They didn't have no toes in them.
Maybe Ginga should wear them.
No toes in them.
If I'd run into them, I don't doubt it. I wouldn't throw them away.
Yeah, you can be sure of that.
Oh my God, no toes in them?
No toes, huh? I didn't want to be on my toes. I didn't want to bind my toes.
I'd have to cover up that toad there that sticks,
I might have a brand new pair if I'm not mistaken.
Wrap it up and wrap it up.
We're going to have to hunt for those.
Huh?
We're going to have to hunt for her stockings that are hidden.
I don't think I'd like them.
Without the toe?
No, I didn't want my toe.
You're crazy, Grandma. What?
I didn't know they made them with no toes.
Did you wear them like that? Well, I'd be damned. Why?
Because of swelling, my ankle swelling.
Well, why you quit wearing them for?
Huh?
You ought to be wearing them now. You ought to get a pair like these.
Shit, I couldn't even get them on. I'm lucky I can get my silk hose on. Later on, I won't be able to put on my own stockings.
You know, I've been putting them on myself.
You have?
Yeah, I've been putting them on myself.
I can't believe it. Those are hard to put on.
I do, boy. I pull and pull.
You must pull and pull.
And I finally get them all on.
They're nothing.
I have a hell of a time taking them off.
I bet you do.
But I only take them off when I take a bath. Before I used to do, today I take a bath, tomorrow I don't. Now, look,